This hybrid does something almost no other hybrid SUV pulls off. And it's not the fuel economy, it's not the power boost, it's something way more practical that most people don't even check until it's too late. Here's the thing. Most hybrid SUVs make you pay for efficiency with space. Batteries eat cargo room, rear seats get cramped. The Sportage Hybrid laughs at that trade-off. 73.7 cubic feet of cargo space, almost identical to the gas version. Same rear legroom, same width, same everything. You get 232 horses from the Turbo 4 and dual electric motors, but you don't lose a single inch where it matters. That's engineering most brands gave up on. Now here's where it gets interesting. The powertrain setup is different from what you'd expect. No CVT whine. Instead, you get a proper 6-speed automatic that snaps through gears with paddle shifters. When you floor it, the engine doesn't drone endlessly searching for power. It just goes. 7.3 seconds to 60 miles per hour. Not supercar quick, but quick enough to embarrass the regular gas Sportage by 2 full seconds. The electric motors deliver instant shove from a stop. That low end punch makes merging and passing feel effortless. And the turbo kicks in smooth. No lurching, no hesitation. But the real genius shows up when you're not trying to be fast. The ride quality soaks up rough pavement like a luxury crossover. Cushy, controlled, confidence-inspiring. Most hybrids ride stiff because of the extra battery weight. This one floats. The steering is quick and accurate, even if it won't make you a canyon carver. 3 drive modes let you dial in the throttle response. Snow, mud, and sand terrain modes handle bad weather. Inside, you're greeted by dual 12.3-inch panoramic displays that look pulled from something costing twice as much. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. So does adaptive cruise, lane keeping, automatic emergency braking. The SX Prestige trim adds ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a 360-degree camera, and blind spot intervention. Now, fuel economy. Front-wheel drive models hit 42 mpg combined. That's solid, but not class-leading. All-wheel drive drops to 35 mpg combined. Real-world highway testing shows closer to 31 mpg. The RAV4 Hybrid and Mazda CX-50 Hybrid beat it on efficiency, but neither of those gives you this much space without compromise. Here's the other part nobody talks about, the warranty. 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, 10 years on the hybrid battery. That's confidence most brands won't back with money. The 2026 refreshed tones down the controversial styling. Stacked LED headlights with amber DRLs replace the old boomerang design. Looks more mature, less polarizing. It also adds 2 new hybrid trims, the Sporty S and the rugged X-Line with blacked-out trim and 19-inch wheels. So where does this land? If you want the absolute best fuel economy, look elsewhere. The RAV4 Hybrid wins that fight. If you want sporty handling, the Mazda CX-50 Hybrid is your move. But if you want a hybrid that doesn't make you choose between efficiency and practicality, this is it. You get the space, you get the power, you get the warranty, you get the tech, and you don't sacrifice the things that make a family SUV actually useful. Starting price is $31,735 for the base LX. Top trim SX Prestige lands at $41,835. Next time, we're diving into a plug-in hybrid that promises 34 miles of electric range but costs way more. Worth it? You'll have to see the numbers. Drop a comment if you'd pick the regular hybrid or go full plug-in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.